Three students probability problem. Three students, S1, S2, and S3, are given a problem to solve. Let AI equal student SI can solve the problem. We are given the following events. U, at least one student can solve the problem, with probability U equals 1/2. V, S1 can solve the problem given that neither S2 nor S3 can solve it, with probability V equals 1/10. W, S2 can solve the problem and S3 cannot solve it, with probability W equals 1/12. T, S3 can solve the problem with probability T equals ? This is what we need to find. Let's visualize this problem using a diagram. We have three overlapping regions representing the three students, S1, S2, and S3. Now let's solve this step by step. Step 1. Find the probability of U complement. The probability of U complement equals the probability that none of the students can solve the problem. This equals 1 minus the probability of U, which equals 1 minus 1/2 equals 1/2. Step 2. Use the conditional probability for event V. The probability of V equals the probability of A1 given A2 complement intersect A3 complement. This equals the probability of A1 intersect A2 complement intersect A3 complement divided by the probability of A2 complement intersect A3 complement, which equals 1/10. Step 3. Solve for the probability of A1 intersect A2 complement intersect A3 complement. The probability of A2 complement intersect A3 complement equals the probability of A1 complement intersect A2 complement intersect A3 complement plus the probability of A1 intersect A2 complement intersect A3 complement. This equals 1/2 plus the probability of A1 intersect A2 complement intersect A3 complement. Rearranging, 9/10 times the probability of A1 intersect A2 complement intersect A3 complement equals 1/20. Therefore, the probability of A1 intersect A2 complement intersect A3 complement equals 1/18. Step 5. Calculate the probability of T. The probability of A2 complement intersect A3 complement equals 1/2 plus 1/18, which equals 10/18, which equals 5/9. The probability of A3 complement equals the probability of A1 complement intersect A2 complement intersect A3 complement plus the probability of A1 intersect A2 complement intersect A3 complement plus the probability of A2 complement. This equals 1/2 plus 1/18 plus 1/12, which equals 9 plus 1 plus 1.5 over 18, which equals 23/36. Therefore, the probability of T equals the probability of A3 equals 1 minus the probability of A3 complement equals 1 minus 23/36 equals 13/36. Final answer, the probability of T equals 13/36.